Welcome to MacD Cooking, and today I just want to share a few recipes with you all and from this dips section of the Busy Woman's Cookbook, 3 and 4 ingredient recipes. And so as I'm scrolling through the dips section, thinking that maybe I can do a little content, make a couple recipes. The stories, it has over 200 stories of famous women, some we know, some we may need to know, from history. And one I found was a story of Myra Bradwell. She passed the Illinois bar exam with high honors in 1869 and was on her way to becoming one of America's first women lawyers. Despite an appeal to the state Supreme Court, she was refused admission because of her gender. She was publisher and editor of Chicago Legal News and used its pages to advocate for women's rights and for property ownership rights by women. She ran her own business under a special charter allowing a married woman to do so. In 1892, she was admitted to the Illinois Supreme Court and United States Supreme Court. I'm saying that to say that during this time in 2024, where we have a woman could be elected for presidency, this is a very important change in our time, in the world's time, and the world's at war. So we have so many women from history who have tried to do things differently, awaken the eyes of many people, men and women around the world and our United States. And I just want to share a few stories from this book. I think they're great stories. If you can find the book on Amazon, I think you should get it. It has great recipes too. I always go to it. But I thought, man, look, maybe I should share a couple of these stories. So if you enjoyed it, follow, subscribe, and make sure you take your screenshots. There is some great recipes, especially in this dip section. This dip section kind of long, but if you enjoyed it, you're welcome.